All right, it is 12:30 in the morning on Saturday, April, I don't know, what is it, 14th? Yeah, it's the 14th now. Colorado 4x4 Rescue and Recovery has been dispatched out to a special mission. We are in Sterling, Colorado right now. Obviously not the mountains. It's three hours from the mountains. And there is a major blizzard occurring right now. You wouldn't be able to tell it, but 5 minutes to the east, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 foot snow drifts. We've got almost the whole team out here that was available tonight, and we're about to start the process here of making our way out about 20 miles northeast of Sterling. In those conditions, hopefully we can actually get out there. We will be on closed roads behind barricades, and this could be quite interesting. So anyway, we'll kick this back on when we have some notable stuff. All right, we are approaching the roadblock.
What team number are we? I think Nate and I are team number 5, if I'm not mistaken. Is that correct?
Yes, you are correct.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, it's windy. It is a whole different world. Just 5 minutes.
If we run into any trouble with you down here, you just let them know that we've been asked to go do this, and they should let us through.
Copy. Everybody slow down. We got a bunch of truck traffic to went through. You just want to run flashing lights.
Well, the ones I have are too bright for the people behind me.
Show off. Come on through.
ROC Team 2.
Team 2 ROC.
Team 2, 3, and 5 are all lumped together. We have cleared the roadblock on Highway 6.
It does appear that there's going to be a lot of icy patches, so everybody just be careful, and if you need to slow down, just holler out.
Alright, I know you can't really see it, but we're basically driving on a solid sheet of ice right now. And I'm in four-wheel drive and I'm kind of wiggling, so very interesting. Alright, we're in it now. It's hard to see, but you can kind of see it in my headlights. We have some crazy blowing snow right now. Barely 100-foot visibility. And a plow up ahead. There are times when I can only see the taillights in front of me. Quick little hit of the high bar. Show the snow going across the road. Yeah.
SAR is checking this guy.
Oh, there goes the GPS.
Your leader is. I'm putting on a coat. Stand by.
I'm also getting my gear on.
Copy. N8 SAR, Nate, I think
guys got an 800, I'll let you holler that in that you broke off heading to your destination.
With the lateral snow, it can get a little disorienting. Every now and then reset your vision by watching the side of the road using your peripheral vision instead. Copy that. Appreciate it.
You beat me to that by about 5 seconds. That's funny. I'm thinking we're clear.
Yeah, they are. Just.
Hey, affirmative, go ahead.
It's not too bad right here. Just running into a tractor that's...
To the town of Fleming, Colorado. It is 1:33 in the morning. Well past my bedtime. It is an absolute shit show out here. Yeah, we are driving on a solid sheet of ice.
Have the semis been cleared, or are we not worrying about vehicles in town? I checked both semis. They seem to be occupied, but nobody was right there next to the windows or anything. I've got another truck here on the right I'm going to check out. Alright, copy that. M1 RSQ.
Honestly, in town, those truck drivers, over-the-road guys usually have plenty of provisions, especially if they're in town. We shouldn't have much to worry about.
That's kind of what I was figuring. Okay, cool.
Yeah, I wouldn't worry much about sleeper cabs. Also, Joe, for you guys out there, there is a cattle truck that has cattle, and he does have a switch and will be staying with his cattle.
Washington, County Road 32. 63 is the highway that goes through the halfway interchange, which is 10 miles east of
I do not blame him. I know people that do that.
A lot of money right there. Maybe 0 and 58.
081.
Pickup truck in the ditch right inside. It is clear.
Highway 63, Washington, County Road 32. Receiving shows and ground above.
Copy that. You are partly broken, but truck and it's clear. Affirmative.
Like a friggin' war zone through here. Looks like we're driving on about 8 inches.
Thank you for the warning on the dip.
Tail gunner is past beacon. Copy that. We're making a right-hand turn. Nose are yellow.
Affirmative. Good direction. Thank you.
A little bit of momentum to your friend coming around that corner.
honestly not sure what to tell you on that one.
Yo, so the semi driver is going to ride with you.
Okay.
You're now closer.
Fantastic. No problem. That works. Cool.
If you could give me just one moment, I'll call you back here.
Let me jump out of the Jeep here and talk to these guys real quick, and I'll get back to you.
ROC has called and said there's a baby that's needs to be recovered and asking us to go, so I'm going to go ahead and let Miss Holly go with you guys.
Oh, copy, fine. I did not catch any of that traffic. I was chatting with a guy. I'm going to jump out of the cab. Okay. All right, 10-5-2.
We can definitely head that way. We've got an RP from the cluster over here that we're going to take home on the way. Copy that. Yeah, if you want to go ahead and start to head towards Highway 34, Yuma County Road Y, again, 3-month-old vehicle. Sounds like they're getting pretty agitated about it. I've got a phone number here I'll give to you in just a minute. Copy. And SAR.
Okay, I think I caught some of that traffic on the 800. You're going to go ahead and take that gal home on your way.
Yes, sir.
Copy. I will let the rest of the group here know you're going to handle that.
Copy. See you guys a little bit. Be careful.
Roger, same, and 0 AOL.
SAR out.
NASAR, did you want anybody else to go with you?
I've got David with me, so the two of us are going to go, and we've got to go recover a three-month-old in the family.
Understand? Copy, thank you.
You copy on that, Nate? Yes, sir. Copy that. All right, I'm going to back up. We're heading back to 6. Copy.